261.8 times 4. So we can set this out as a column multiplication. The only thing we need to remember is because there's one decimal place in the question, there needs to be one decimal place in the answer. So that we don't forget, let's copy down the decimal point straight away. Now, 8 times 4 is 32, so 3, 2. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7. 6 times 4 is 24, so 2, 4. And 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So our answer is 1047.2. Now 4.206 times 8. Again, let's set this out as a short multiplication. But here, because we have 3 decimal places in the question, because we have tenths, hundredths and thousandths, we need to copy down the decimal point so that we have 3 decimal places in the answer. Now 6 times 8 is 48, so 4, 8. 0 times 8 is 0, plus 4 is 4. 2 times 8 is 16, so 1, 6. And 4 times 8 is 32, plus 1 is 33. So our answer is 33.648. And it's really important that we remember the decimal points and get the decimal points in the right place.